This project is a testament to the power and strength of our community leaders. The countless acts of generosity in a shared belief in the potential of our young learners.
We are sending a message to the future that today we believe in our youth. We invested in their potential and we build a place where they can grow, strive, or thrive and succeed.
Sa ating mga kabataan, this is yours. The Teen Center is yours. It is meant to be yours. No? Panagiyahan nyo ini siya, and you should own it. Because this is the extension of your home. Nga panginpuslan ninyo sa gusto. Ipigan ninyo, atindiron ninyo, kag panginpuslan ninyo sa gusto. Because that is the home of the psychosocial response and other related programs and projects of the province, of the DepEd, and the Lucena, and your high school.
This will help address the social issues that we have. Because I believe this project is really vital for the development of the youth in the province of Iloilo, which will lead to a more progress Iloilo.
Dinamit ang Teen Center nga atong natuloy sa mga hapon. Kaya nagapati ako. Kung kamo, hatagan maging sa mas madamang programa at tsansa, mas matayo ang inyong malapon kaysa sa ako.